Hello everyone, so today we will see that how to print output in Java. For print the output in Java, we use two method. One is system.toStatement, not a method. Okay, system.out.print and system.out.println means line. And after the every statement, we have to use a semicolon for terminating this statement. That means the semicolon indicates this is the end of this line. Okay, and if you does not give any semicolon, then compiler finds it as a error and throw you a error. So remind this thing when you start writing your code. Okay, now see what is the difference between print and println. So now I am going to print with system.out.print, system.out.print. Okay, now I want to print that hello. Now hit it, see what we will get. Okay, so we got the output. Now print it once more and see what we will get in the output. Now run it once again. Here you can see we are getting the hello one after another, but we don't want it. We want something like if the hello come one below another, that looks much cooler than this thing. So for that we use println. ln indicates that we are want to go to the next line. Okay, ln indicates that we want to go to the next line. So that's why we are use println. So if I use the println, here you see hello comes below one after another. Here you can see this hello and hello is comes below. So let's see one more thing. Let's try to print this pattern 3, 4. This pattern using system.out.println. So first line there is one star. So how many lines is there? 1 lines, 2 lines, 3 lines and 4 lines. So here you can see there is 1 lines, 2 lines, 3 lines, 4 lines. So there are 4 lines. So copy this statement and paste it 4 times, second times, third times and also 4 times. Now in the first line there is 1 star and the second line there is 2 star. There is 2 star. Third line there is 3 star and fourth line there is 4 star. Okay, now run and see what we get. It's taking again too much time. That's because of the internet. This is the ID problem, man. Change the ID. See one more online ID. Pep coding online compiler. There is online compiler of pep coding. Let's use the pep coding online compiler. Okay, that will be right because they are taking too much time. So system.out.println, there is 1 star. One star and next there is 2 star. So for that there are 4 lines. So print it, paste it 4 times. Now 2 star. Next line there is 3 star. Next line there is 4 star. Now run it and check what we will get in the output. Here you can see we are getting the same output, that 1 star, 2 star, then 3 star, then 4 star. Now if I say you that print this 5 star using one print statement, how you can do this? Think about this for a 10 seconds. So basically what we do, we use a /n. 1 star /n means next line. Here is /n. 1 star /n, then 2 star, then again /n, then 3 star, then again /n, then 4 star, then again slash n. If you put here a slash n, or if you does not put the slash n at the end, there is no matter. Okay, now run the code and check. See, we are getting the same output. Here you can see we are getting the same output. So what we will learn today? In this video, we learn how to print in Java using two statements. One is system.out.print and another is system.out.println. Okay, so hope you are enjoying this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.